Hi friends. So here is our application, PostYourAds. For example, this can be the application that will appear on the client side. So for example, on the client side, the administrator or the business owner might have only added 4 items, so we won't see the other. And these items, actually, he will be able to name them as he wants. And that item will actually be a category. For example, a category for the menswear, the women's wear, the children's wear, the boots, I don't know. So for example, he opens and I'm sorry. Yes, we're still talking on the client side. So on the client side, when he opens this, he will be able to see the text or the image and a text below, then a separator, then a text and a separator, then probably an image and a text and a separator. Okay, it's a very simple app. And that's it. Now, suppose that this is the administrator side app, which we might not really put it on Google Play. I mean, after each one of us just ends it and get the result of all this project, what really needs to be put on Google Play is the client side app. Now the administrator side app, you can probably give it hand to hand to the business owner or whoever interested in our application. So assuming this is now the business owner's app. Okay, at first he might not have added anything, so he will probably see here a plus sign and add category. Okay, when he really presses on it, so he will be able to enter the name of this category. He might name it item 1 or the menswear. And so this plus sign will probably always persist. Now on the client side app, if this is the client side app, we will probably want this email button. But on the administrator side app, no, we can remove this maybe, or put here the plus sign for add category or whatever. Now now we're talking on the business owner's side app. So when he presses on item 1 or category 1, he will be able to see his own added posts, and he might be able to see, for example, here a button, plus sign, add image, a plus sign, add text, plus sign, add separator, and I think this is it. And they will be concatenated one after the other in series. Here the message, I don't know. We later on, as the first glance, we might maybe omit this if we aren't too many. If you are really too many people, then we can really work on this, and this can be on the client side, but on the business owner's side, I think he might not be interested in this. I don't know. So I don't know what is this, and that's it. That's the idea of it. Now the client if this is the client side app, so whenever he opens this will be directly fetched, their names and how many items we have. We will fetch it from the intermediate server, which is the backend server, and when he presses on any item, if this is the client side, yes, he will be able to fetch them as well from the backend server as well. Even so, even the same probably for the business owner side, because he want to see what he already had added. Okay, so yes, it will behave the same for both cases. It will behave the same. I think I'll be handling right away the backend server, so or whatever. I don't know if you want us to split the jobs beforehand, or we do a best effort and each one tries his best on any side. Whatever. I just hope we can just focus on this project. It's a really nice project, and I doubt that it is already there open source somewhere. we're doing something for us and probably for the benefit of others as well. And what else? What else? I don't know what else. I hope you can communicate somehow. Take care.